Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now look what I've got to play with today. Yes, it's the stag I picked up about a week ago from London. But this time we're not in London. We're in beautiful North Yorkshire. We're on the North Yorkshire Moors, not too far from a pretty place called Castleton. And we're going to have a nice little drive with the top down. Got the top down today, as you can see. Yes, we're going to go over to Helmsley. It's a beautiful drive. I'm going to take you guys with me, and the car just sounds awesome. I just love the sound of the V8. I've done a little bit of a tune-up on it. I'll put that video in with this video. The plugs were fouled up on it, so I've cleaned the plugs. She's running a bit too rich, so I've sorted that out, and now she's just purring like a kitten. So let's go for a drive.